So, today we will look at proteins. Why do we need proteins? Is it only kids that need proteins? No, we know that proteins are for growth, and yes, children of a growing age do need a substantial amount of proteins. But as adults on a daily basis, we too do have cells that are being, dying and reforming, and there's a lot of making and breaking taking place, and you need proteins for that. Especially if someone is recovering after an illness, after surgery, they need a higher amount of proteins. So proteins are important. Where do we get these from? As soon as you say proteins, what comes to our head? Fish, meat, eggs, milk. But other than that, there's a huge group of plant-based proteins as well, which are the pulses. Now, each of these need to be in our diet in a certain quantity. If by chance somebody is a vegetarian, then their contribution of animal protein goes down, and this needs to be increased by pulses. Then we have eggs, which is a very, very good source of proteins. And generally, what's recommended is one serving per day. One serving is one egg. At one point in time, even that was not allowed. Why? Because the egg yolk is rich in many fats, including cholesterol. So this was why the egg was getting a bit of a bad rep. But if you are someone with hypercholesteremia, you need to consult a medical practitioner or your nutritionist to see whether it is a safe option for you. Um, but if you are consuming the egg in a boiled form, then there's no harm there, or the harm is minimized, because there is a certain amount. So even though saturated fats do have a bad name to it, the fats in our diet, you can have less than 10% of that coming from saturated fats. So your egg a day will be perfectly okay. But what happens is, as soon as you decide to have this egg alongside bacon and a whole lot of fried sausages, it's what you eat with the egg or how you prepare the egg. Are you frying the egg? That way, the healthiness or the goodness of it is deteriorated a bit because you're increasing your fats. But having an omelette or a bullseye or a boiled egg, and if you're having an omelette or a bullseye, use a non-stick pan or use controlled amount of oil, and the serving size is an egg per day. In order to keep this video short, I will talk about the other groups of proteins subsequently.